you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with the Exp Realty. Oh my, this looks tempting. I would love to be in here. Nice. Come on in, let's take a look at the inside. Nice open kitchen, plenty of storage, cabinets, open dining area with a view out to the swimming pool.